No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, that is Clipstone Colliery, the headstocks. We are at Wonderland for 2026 at a new venue. We're going to do something a bit different today, so let me know what you think down in the comments. We're going to have a wander around, but we're only going to film the Fords, because I've noticed that I do all these walk-arounds at these classic shows and the sports shows, and the watch time isn't great on it, so I thought I'd try something a bit different. So I'm going to walk around today and we're only going to film the Fords. So if you're new here, like and subscribe and enjoy the video, guys. Right then guys, so this is our stand, STOC. We'll take a little wander around. We've got Joe in the van. Craig's bought two of his cars today. That lovely KA, street KA on the Cosy wheels. How nice is that? Yeah, got his Focus here. We've got Alan in his Mark 3, little wave there. Kate in the Mark 6. Scotty's new whip, the Mark 7. Ben's gone, unfortunately. We've got older biddy here, look. Chris parked next to him in the Joker. He's having his lunch at the back. Got Mel in the wagon. Got this lovely Cosy with us today. He's just put these wheels on it, look. He said to me, what do you think? I'm not sure. And I think it looks amazing. I really do. Yeah, we've got Mr. Russell here today with us. Beautiful, this. Bit windy, so I hope it's not affecting the camera. Darren's got the Mark 2. Anthony in the facelift. Got Lewis here today and his Mark 2, and Andy's new Mark 3 RS. Kelly here, Thomas in the Mark 6, and Dan in the Mark 2. Right guys, the band's just come on, so we're going to have to keep talking. We're going to head round the show now and see what Fords are left, so hope you enjoy it. Lovely RS 1600i there, lot. We've got the Mark 1 RS here. I do like the colour of them wheels. RS Turbo. You've got the Mustang GT there. Two nice Mark 1s there, which we'll come back to in a minute. This is the RS Owners Club. Some nice cars on display by these folks. Very clean. Great standard of cars here today. Yeah, Tiger Stripes. That one's just purring away. Some nice cars here. Look at that for a number plate. Series 1 RS Turbo. That cost a bit. Got Martin here, look. Ultimate green. And we've got some Mustangs here. Look at them back ends. Mustang owners of Great Britain. They look absolutely fantastic, these do. That's a convertible. Look at the size of the bonnets on these. Absolutely fantastic. So we'll head back this way. Got some more Mustangs down here, look. That's an old one. 5 litres. Wow, look at the bonnet bulge on there. We've got a red one. It's Poppy in the window. This is a lovely ST170 Mark 1. Some great attention to detail there. Another Mark 1 and a Mark 2. Lovely Cosy. Beautiful in red, convinced me otherwise. Yeah, over in this corner, these are Ford Sport. Some nice cars on display. I like how that's black at the top. Lovely colour Escort. The Fiesta looks well with the Compomotive bronze wheels. Fiesta. Wow, look at this Sierra. 3-door. Whale tail on the back. What an absolute beauty. We've got Mark II here. Performance blue. That's nice and clean. ST3 with the leather. Escort. Sapphire. And another RS Turbo. We've seen quite a few today. Continuing with the Fords, look at this. V8 street rod. How cool is that? And you've got the Mexico 1600 GT with the big spotlights on the front. Look at this one. How retro does that look? Ford sign in the back, look as well. Yeah, so we've got another Mexico here. Beautiful blue. It's got the lockable bonnet pins here, look. Absolutely love that colour. Very nice indeed. The white stripe complements it really well as well. Yeah, got a Mark II here, look. Looking quite original. Got the splitter on the front. But yeah, that's it's nice to see one that's not been messed about too much with. It's quite a rare sight these days. And next to it we've got the Escort XR3i. Lovely colour. And a few Capris over here. Also got this Escort here, look, with the lamp pods on it. Ford Cortina, look at that, GL. Wooden steering wheel, look, and dash. Oh, it's got an ST engine in it. ST 170 engine on throttle bodies.
Cheers.
How smart's that, guys? I did not expect that, in all fairness. What an absolute beautiful place to have a car show, guys. Talking of Cortinas, there's a few here to look at. Quite a line-up here of the Cortinas. Must be a Cortinas owners club. Look at that. So a couple more Cortinas over here. The sun's really coming out now. Got this lovely Scorpio here, look, 24 valve. Look at that. Cosworth.
I took it to bits one by one, and all world.
How cool is that?
I soldered a wire from there to there, and there to there, from there to there. Trace it all out.
Yeah, we'll skip through here now. Some more Capris. Puma, they're a rare sight these days. I've also got the Capri here, look. There's a lovely Mark II here. Looks completely original. 07 plate, it is for sale. Call for more information. So if you're in the market for an ST, give him a ring, we'll have a little walk around the back. Yeah. Got different tips on it, but it's very clean. So I have double backed because this caught my eye, this Mark II Mondeo Estate. I mean, the Mark IIIs are starting to get rarer now, but You don't see the Mark IIs. I can't say when the last time I saw a Mark 1, to be fair. Nice big boot on it. And then we've got the Capri. Very nice stripes on it. Harris Performance engines. Wow, look at the picture on the dash. It's been rebuilt. You'd never know. Right, a few more Fords coming up. We've got this facelift Mark II. Original, looking smart. And then its big sister next to it, look, the RS Mark II. You can see why they call them the Tic Tacs, look. Very smart. Look at this. Escort estate, look. And the Finis Escort, look. Duratec engine. Little Mark 1 Fiesta here, look. Hoolies. West Bridgeford. That's a throwback to the past. Anybody watching this video remember Hoolies? I certainly can. Fiesta Popular Plus 1.1. Got a nice Escort here, look. The band's started again now. Beautiful. Right guys, so we're going to film the whole row of this row as it is special. This is the 25 years celebration row for Wonderland. So this car won it in 2001, this won it in 2002, that won it in 2003, and you get the picture. Now there's loads of Fords amongst this, but there are some non-Fords. We're going to carry on, and these are all the winners of all the years. And there's a special car towards the end, which you'll see. But yeah, loads of music going, so you got to keep talking. Right, so we had to miss a few cars out because of the people dancing in the stage. But yeah, 2016 winner. And as we head further along, there's plenty of Fords that's won these awards over the years. This one made me laugh a lot. 2020. Cancelled due to COVID. So 2021, 2022, and we've got my baby here that won in 2023. So we was invited to be a part of this lovely anniversary lineup, which is a privilege and an honour to have her out on display, especially as part of the anniversary. So those that have known me for a while, you'll know that I've never ever put this car on a stand separate to the club stand. But to be fair, I didn't really have much choice today due to the nature of the stand. But yeah, I'm pleased with it. And so this is 2024, and you've got 2025, last year's winner. And then I believe this won car of the show yesterday. Yeah, that's why it's got 2026 on it. So that one car of the day. As they have a smaller show on a Saturday as like a bit of a warm-up. But yeah, it's been a fantastic day, guys. Absolutely lovely backdrop of the colliery in the background. Starting to thin out a bit now. So yeah guys, as we're coming to the end of the video, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Give us a hype if you can, and let me know in the comments section how you feel about this style of video, just doing the Fords. Obviously we are a Ford based channel with what I do. There's nothing wrong with any other models, but I'm just trying something different, guys. Yeah, let us know. See you soon.